Find square root of 289 by division method. First make a pair from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, so this is first pair, this is second pair. There is one digit in this pair. Okay, now you have to consider here a number whose square will be equal to 2 or near to 2. If you take here 2, then 2 square equal to 4, which is greater. So if you take here 1, then 1 square will be 1. So if you take here 1, that 1 must come here. So 1 times 1, 1. Subtract 1. Bring down the next digit. Okay. Now you have to write the same digits under the divisor. You have written here 1, so write here 1 and add. You are getting here 2. Now you have to place here a number. That number must come to here. So you also need to multiply the number by the digit you have taken. So if you take here, look, if you take here 7, and you need to multiply by 7 and check. 7 times 7, 49, write 9, carry 4 to the next column. 7 times 2, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. 189, which is equal to this. So our guessing number 7 is correct. 7, 7. So 7 times 27. Look here, 7 times 27, that gives us 189. And if I subtract, I am getting 0. Since you have placed here 7, so you need to write here 7 and you need to add 7 plus 7, 14. Carry, bring down 4, carry 1 to the next column. Then 1 plus 2, 3. Look, 34. The double of 17 is 34. So our by this process, since this is double of this number, so our square root 17 is correct. So the square root of 289 is 17.